empower your GitHub Copilot agent mode with the GitHub Copilot App Modernization upgrade for Java extension within VS Code. So here I'm just asking it to check for CVEs of this project and to fix them. First, it will give me an overview of all the in-project use dependencies. I click continue. So now it checks all dependencies and determines if they have known issues. Here we can see it found 2 issues and classifies them for us here in low and medium. It could be also high. And it fixed them by updating or upgrading the version. And now I have the human in the loop. I can always click continue if I'm fine with the suggested changes. Now everything is building again. Our tests are going to be run. And here you can see all CVEs got fixed successfully, and also we verified that no behavior changes happened due to our fixes. Happy coding and stay more secure with GitHub Copilot App Modernization upgrade for Java VS Code extension.